Hi guys, this is P. Lopez and today mag-open ta og PR package from Prabiha. Alright, from Versiculo Clothing. Alright, so thank you Daan, Versiculo Clothing for sending me a package and excited ko mag-open ani. Actually, na-receive din ako or, I think last week. But then, ganahan ko nga i-vlog siya. So, nadugay pa kay karon lang ka bakante yun. Alright, let's open this one. Ano ang ito yun? Oh. Sige sa ito naman, napay I thought isa lang, no? So, I think it's a hoodie.
Bruh.
Alright. Nice. Gaan siya. And hindi iyang inner nga. Hindi iyang inner nga. Kasi tawagan niyo eh. Ito ni Sukbi. Sorry, di gina matanggal akong galo. It's okay. Alright. That is good. Yep. And tomorrow maadto mi sa while nag-make on nga vlog. Padong mi ani sa CTU Carmen. So I'm gonna use this one while traveling. So napila enjoy wait lang. Okay, wala na. Balong, basta napigag mo ba? Wala na! So, padala sila kang alright, see? Versiculo Clothing. You guys, tamay time, check the page. Nasaan sila ipadala nga? Stickers! Stick them on. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna read this after. Okay? Wait lang. Ginago sa letter. Oh, saan eh? 1, 2, 3. Ha? Daylight. Ay! Pangyawian ako! Alright! What? I'm feeling good! Nice. Thank you. I thought kiniragyod ang naaning package ba? Hindi. And then we get tag. Versiculo Clothing. Oh. Overcomer. Yeah. I think na ako pang after gig ako. Alright, 2. And then, last one. Alright, pambalay. Kanino to? Ano yung pambalay? Uy. Alright. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 stickers and a letter. So, ito na yung basahan yung ilang letter, no? To Miss P. Sing to him, sing praise to him. tell about all his wonderful works. Psalm 105 verse 2. God bless you always, Miss P. Love and support. Versiculo closing. And yes, I will sing to him, I will sing praise to him, and I will tell about all his wonderful works. You and me, kitang tanan, kasta ng buhaton. Thank you kayo, Versiculo Clothing, for not just the clothes nga inyong gihatag sa ako but sa inyong merch, but also sa kini. Thank you kayo. I will always praise God in everything, in every day, tanang panahon, sa tanang butang, always ginato siya pagadayon. Thank you kayo for your support, and God bless you. All for His glory. Thank you.